Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to play with my Lego Duplo Circus show. So let's start playing. Let me introduce you to all my characters. I've got an elephant and it's got a colourful sticker on it. I've got a unicorn and it's got a golden tail. I've got a tiger. I've got a dog, which is really spotty. I've got a girl from the circus shop. I've got a man. And I've got another man. Let me start assembling the circus. I'm afraid of heights. Can you put me down? I'm already starting to fall. Please? I can't help you. I'm on another one. I'm trying. Okay, let's put you down. You're stuck there, so you have to stay there the whole night. Well, why do I need to stay there the whole night? Because you're stuck there. Sorry, I can't help you. Bye. Oh no, I forgot. I'm staying here. This is a blue block because I'm gonna put it for a platform for the horse to stand. I'm putting a red long block so the horse can live under that. Let me move the acrobats so I can show you what the elephant is doing. Let me show what my elephant can do. Stop, 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 stop. Can I live here? No. Okay. Wow, how can the elephant jump so high? I'm putting a window in front so people can get their tickets to watch the circus show. Who wants to give the tickets out? Okay, I am. I'm fed up with this ride. Why do I have to sit near a horse stable? Okay, I'm just gonna sit there. Hello, give me some money. See? Thank you. You can have your tickets. Ah! Oh no! Bye! Let me go. Hey, who's the person? Okay, you. Hey, are you the person who will take the ticket? Okay, just put it near the horse. All right. But why do I need to put it there? Okay, I'm just putting it here. Now, where do I need to watch the circus? Okay, just make your own seat. Okay. I'm going to put a bench here. And the dog is going to get his ticket so we can go to the circus show. Come back, your ticket. Woof, woof. Here you go. Thank you. Just put it on there. Oh. Yeah, just put it here. I'm putting orange bricks on top of this wing so that the stand can come on top. There's the sign and it says circus. And I'm putting bricks underneath so the swing can swing. Now we need to put the swing on. Whoops. I need to make it a bit taller. I need to put 2 more blocks underneath. I need to move this man because I need to put the flag poles on. I mean the flags. And the red. And now you will go here to give the tickets. Maybe I'll just have to lay down here like this. Oh, and I need to put this red thing, which has an elephant on it. I wonder where I'll put this block. I think I'll put it on here. Oh, I forgot. I need to put these here, the cats. Then how can I stand? Oh, sorry, mister. I might have forgot that. Maybe here. Yes, that's correct. And here, just once again, and it's yellow. I'm going to remove the flags because I'm gonna put a hill on top here, and then I'm gonna put the flags. And the lady needs to be careful. Swing, swing, swing. Stop. I'm trying to stay on. Now I'm going to put a gate here. Hope you can see it. And the tiger, he needs to go here. I'm sorry, you'll have to live in a stable. I need to put some flowers. Oh, this one is green. This one is orange. And this one is red. The man is bored sitting on the ticket stand. He wants to sit on the roof. So here you go. Oh, and this thing will go on top here. And this elephant's thing will go on top of that. So guys, my circus show is completed. I hope you enjoyed watching this get assembled. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.